How to change live translate language and voice in phone app on the Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, open up the phone application. Then we go to the top corner and tap on the menu button. Here tap on settings. In code settings, we go down and tap on live translate. Make sure you turn it on first. So tap on the toggle button to switch it on. Then scroll down. In here, you can change the language for yourself or for the other person. So tap on language in the me section, and from here select the language that you want to use. If the language that you want to use is not available in the top list, you can go down to the second list and download them. Okay, so select a language, and then we go back, and then you can change the voice type. So at the moment, with this particular language, only have one voice available for me to choose. I can also turn on or turn off, mute my voice, so that the other person can only hear the translation voice. Okay, down to the other person, you can change their language. So I'll change them to English, United States, and then voice, we can select a different voice.
This is what it said.
And also you have the option to mute the other person's voice as well. And here we tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. So that's how you can change the live translate language on the Samsung Galaxy S26 series. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.